Okay, so as everybody knows, we are in Florida, and it gets hot in Florida, doesn't it, Davie? Huh? It gets hot. So I bought Davie his own little monkey water table. It's by Little Tikes, and I think it's called the Frog Pond, Little Tikes Frog Pond. Anyway, I think that it's a good addition out here on the front porch for him to play with. So let's see what he thinks about it. He's not too sure. He says, I don't know. Look, it's pretty cool. He said, I'm not too happy with it. Come on over here. Come on, let's see. Let's check it out. Look. Look. What do you think, huh? I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Does that scare you? It's cool. You can have fun with it. Oop. He says, I don't know. I'm kind of scared of it. No, it'll be fun. He has a big outside pen, and in his outside pen, he has a big pool and a water slide and also a sandbox. But this is for him up here to play with. Just something special for him. In his outside pen, I let him just be a monkey. He goes diaperless and he has fun. And here on the front porch, though, I sit with him and he can play and check out new toys. I think it's a good way for him to cool off. What do you think of it, huh, Dave? It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, dropped it. What do you think? I think he likes it. You guys think he likes it? Yes. Something fun for him to do. He said all kinds of toys I can chew up. It's nice and hot out today. It's like 90 degrees, so maybe he'll have fun playing in it. Here he comes back. He's got that lily pad. He likes that lily pad so far. He says, Here. I think it's pretty heavy, but look at him move it. It's got a lot of water in it, but he's strong. You're strong, aren't you? Huh. I'll probably end up dumping it everywhere, knowing you. He says I might. Might have to put some rocks or something in it to weight it down more. So silly. Oh no, he's going to put that Play-Doh in it. Yeah, you put the Play-Doh in it, didn't you? You need to fish the Play-Doh out, bud. It's going to turn the water all green. Here, look. I think this thing's supposed to sit on it. Look, watch. Watch a minute, watch. And then you can flip it, see? See how I did that? That was kind of cool, huh? Come back over here and watch. I don't think I'm loading it on right, though. Dave, come here. Come on, come back over here. Come, watch. You watching? Watch. Ooh, look, I actually landed on top of the lily pad. I don't think he's very impressed. I mean, I think he likes it, but I don't think he's impressed with my skills of landing on the lily pad. What? You liking your toy? Oh, this bro just came out. He's coming out.
Did you see your new toy?
He did. He says, I saw it, and it's pretty
So
cool.
I think you did.
Yeah, he was having fun with it.
He put his Play-Doh in it.
I know, I saw that. He says, come look at it, bro. It's pretty cool.
And it launched water at you.
You're supposed to put these on it. See, look. You put these on it, and then you hold them back, and you flip them, and you try to make them land on the lily pad. I made it land on the lily pad.
See? Or you can shoot water at a monkey.
Yeah, there you go.
Davie, see the game? You're supposed to put him on, and I don't know how to hold it, but
I just set it on there, and then I flipped it. See? I don't know how impressed he was with it. He's off.
now you like the trampoline.
He says, I do. I like it.
Stop licking off the water with my hand.
He says, oh, I like the water on your hands, though. It's fun. Oh, look at him roll. He's so sweet. Silly monkey.
Little monkey.
He is a silly monkey, isn't he? I think he likes the water table.
He doesn't?
I think he does. I think he likes it. I think it's a hit. Oh, don't put him in it. He's got a diaper on. It'll, like, expand. He says, I'm not impressed.
If you have pretty much a pool, you're going to get in it.
He says, He says, I like to dip a toe, but I don't like to get
like a dog?
I don't want to get a diaper wet. He's
You
silly
like
boy.
warm baths, not cold.
I know, he does. He says, I like a warm bath. He says, it is pretty warm out here, though, bro.
It feels so bad. Don't hug me.
He's, I'll get you wet. I will. I will get you wet.
It's cool because he's sitting in the shit down. So Davie, from a scale from 1 to 10, how would it? Ow!
He
You like
says,
it?
he says, I like it. He says, I like it, bro.
Why do you like my ankle so much?